great. You look beautiful.
Dear God, dear Lord.
I can't see myself.
Here we go. I know. I'm like, I don't know what to do. I can't see myself. This is so
fine.
weird.
This is fine. What's up, guys?
I just like sit out with you.
I can't with this one. Shut up for like 3 seconds. So, alright, honestly, I'm not even gonna apologize for being gone for like 9 months because I do that every single time. And honestly, the only thing that was stopping me from filming was just like getting... I can't even like say like I had to like censor myself. Like I can't like curse like I always do. I had to remember that this is like family oriented.
Do it anyway, but
it's fine. We'll just bleep.
I'll try.
School's been lately, so I haven't had time to film. So here we are for the get ready with me for like a girls' day, I guess. I'm just gonna go take some cute pictures.
Get Instagram ready.
Really basic and
Insta ready all the way.
It's fine. I got a caramel macchiato for the first time in like a year, and I'm living for it. All right, you know what? It's fine. It's fine. So this is Bekka, by the way, because I just forgot to introduce you because you're just not important.
Everybody, I'm not. I'm just here, like, just off to the side, not really mattering, just also getting ready.
I'm honestly out of primer. Like,
there's all my makeup. I didn't want to just sit here and pull it out. I don't know. Because it's also a purse. It's not just like a makeup bag. Oh, I couldn't fit all of my makeup into a makeup bag, so I put it all in.
Do you see what I'm doing right now? This is...
I'm like, do you just want to use like a little dollop of mine?
So sad. By the way, guys, I'm using the really bougie YSL, like, what is this called?
It's the
Touche Claire.
I don't think that that's quite
Blur
correct.
primer. Hey, you know what? It's fine. I don't speak French.
Might be,
Does it look like I speak French? Like,
I'm like, can I like try this and see if like really low you can't hear it on the camera?
No, no, I'm not about to get a copyright strike because you don't want to talk to me. I feel like I chose the wrong shirt if I'm a sweaty person because it's gray.
Enjoy those pits.
Oh, you're the
enjoy it.
You're the worst.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so wait, okay, tell me what you're using, or else you're just gonna like sit here and like do your makeup and then be like, what is she using?
Which is literally entirely what I intended to do. This is
fired. You're not allowed to be on my YouTube channel ever again.
I never said I was a makeup guru. Okay, like, do you see this face? I clearly don't take enough care.
This is what I'm using, by the way. Amigos.
This is the Pixie by Petra Flawless Beauty Primer.
By the way, this is my foundation, if it matters to any of you.
Every time I do remotely natural makeup, I end up hating it. Oh yeah, this is the Wet n Wild.
I use Bisque Neutral 340.
The Wet n Wild Photo Focus. I'm not even gonna bother telling you the shade because it's not right anyway.
Okay.
Worst case, we stop halfway through.
Why do I have to buy so much? Like, it's literally gone.
You have that?
The Fenty Beauty? Yeah.
Love it.
By the way, Fenty Beauty. It's in the color Truffle because I'm brown. But also, okay, I don't want anyone to come for me in the comments about how I do my contour.
Why, does it look stupid?
No, I do my contour before my concealer because
that's
then,
weird.
Although I fix my mistakes with the concealer.
I don't liquid contour, so.
This is not liquid. Well, this is stick. Shut up. I feel like they're literally gonna be like, wow,
I know.
Diana, you're literally a catfish.
Honestly though, kinda, but like same.
Makeup, it's fine. I've come to accept the fact that I'm ugly. It's like that SpongeBob episode where he's like, how long have I been ugly?
So what's gonna happen to me for sure.
Good.
I'm like, how are you gonna fix that? Oh, also I broke my nail as I got into her car. I just got them done yesterday. I'm really angry that her car is just as much the devil as she is. If not more so.
Listen, right? I'm literally trying to give off the impression that I am a sweet angel baby, so.
Well, you shouldn't have invited me on your channel.
Now that we fixed that whole entire situation, I'm so sweaty right now. I changed, and then my camera literally ran out of storage and was only letting me record like 2 seconds, so we're back now with a blended contour and a set face. Oh, by the way, guys, just in case you were wondering, I go to UCI and I graduate.
In like a week. Oh my god, it's so exciting. Week and a half. Give or take.
On next Friday?
It's about a week and a half.
I'm educated!
Educated.
Honestly, like, I'm still dumb, so it's fine. Like, college doesn't really do anything. Oh no! These shades, they gotta go! I'm gonna have to fix the lighting so there was lines on her face. It's better now. We're fine. We're fine.
I'm still like freaking out about it. I'm like, I don't know what to do.
I need to put blush on because I look like a corpse. It's fine. I was like, you're so good at makeup. I'm like, not really. Like, oh, I just choked. Okay.
Cute. Everybody
Like, I'm really not that great.
Yeah, I feel that.
I gotta go.
I could have said something way worse.
I gotta go. Do I want to put, like, liquid highlight under my powder highlight?
Yes.
Oh, it's gonna take me longer to get ready now, so
I
you
love
can't
liquid
yell at
highlight.
me.
Whatever, I'll do that.
So I use the Incredible You Glow Girl one. It literally looks like
Oh, it is iconic.
like
okay.
a planetary alignment.
It's gonna be iconic.
Oh, there's a hair on it.
That's actually really pretty though.
It is really pretty. It makes you look like an alien.
Very much into that. Literally, I'm Gretchen Wieners.
Do you
My
ever
hairline
just like
is so weird.
honestly like this is like completely unrelated, but do you ever just like I was like literally walking to work the other day and I thought of something really funny and I just started laughing.
Yeah, all the time. And then I'm like, wow, I look like a crazy person.
Like no,
just
like,
casually laughing to
this is
myself.
how random it was. It was literally like a high school memory. It was like my senior year of high school. Maybe I was thinking about it because it's my senior year of college.
Probably.
But like it was my senior year of high school and we had to do like a project for my like Spanish. All right.
I love that.
We had to do like a project for my Spanish class where we had to like go to like a little like elementary school that was in Santa Ana, and we would like play like games with them in Spanish, and all the little kids like loved me because I was like their size, and I like blended in, and
like
I just
also child.
I just like I literally just thought back to like the pictures that we took where you like couldn't even tell which one I was, and like there was literally like at one point it was like me and my best friend, me and him were like partners because me, him, and his girlfriend were all in the same Spanish class, and the little kids were like, "Are you guys dating?" I was like, "No, like his girlfriend's in like another is in another class," and they're like, "You guys should date instead." I was like, "Oh."
Well, don't tell his girlfriend
Little
that.
kids
Okay.
are straight savage.
Seriously, I will see that.
Oh, it's broken.
You did just see my bronzer though, right?
Yeah.
Oh, speaking of bronzer, I'm using her bronzer. It's the Too Faced.
It's my powder bronzer.
Dark Chocolate Soleil. If I could speak today at all, that would be phenomenal.
No, of course not. I'm using
Never.
the Pixie like an Aspen Ovard like what is it called, collaboration and like highlight thing. I'm
You're struggling.
I'm a beauty guru.
Oh, wow.
It's really
A lot of
pigmented.
highlight, yeah.
Yeah, don't worry, I'll blend it out.
Dang girl.
But it's the one in like Santorini Sunset or something. It literally lasts forever. I love it. It's like my favorite like founding.
Highlighter?
Call me Huda Beauty.
Yeah, seriously, holy.
Oh no.
You and I both, man. Like, we can't get it together today.
Don't even know like where you came from. How did we meet?
Anna and I met when I used to work with her.
Right, she works at the same or she used to work at the same restaurant that I work at.
did.
Because you know, hashtag college, gotta pay.
Yeah, accurate. And
Gotta pay them bills.
we were like,
Gotta pay for my makeup.
right? We had a pretty instant connection. That's actually not true. The first thing that came out of both of our mouths was, "I'm mean. Oh, hey, me too."
Oh, I walked you to your I walked her to her
She did.
orientation and I was
Yeah.
like,
She's like, "Oh, by the way, people tell me I'm mean." I was like, "Oh, that's okay. Me too." She was like, "Oh, I was joking." I was like, "Oh,
I'm
I
not."
wasn't." Like,
oh
I would just like to point out, she just tossed her beauty blender at me, and it landed right in her cat's water bowl. That was
my cat's in my room now. I'm sweating. Something's gonna go wrong. She's gonna like claw up my head during the middle of this video.
She's gonna jump up on your bed and then suddenly be like wrapped around your shoulders. It'll be really cute. I need to be turned a little more this way. I feel so like
She just doesn't want to talk to you guys
directed away
honestly.
from your
She
camera.
just doesn't
Yeah.
like you. That's fine. She doesn't,
Like,
she
wow,
doesn't
I'm
like me either, so.
I'm just a
You- I mean,
big ol'
you
see you next
didn't for, like, a
Tuesday.
little bit.
That is true.
I'm really using the
Oh,
Huda
yeah.
Beauty Desert Dust
It's
palette
gorge, by the way.
that we're like dying over.
That I have a dupe of that I brought with me, not realizing.
At the OG, you know.
Yeah,
Oh,
don't
this
worry
looks
about it.
ugly. Doesn't it look dusty?
Yeah,
What did I do to this?
dipped into it a lot.
True.
Lots and lots of
I'm
fallout.
talking about my Modern Renaissance palette. It was literally
Just
like my go-to for.
all
Look at
of
how
the fallout
dirty
in
it
the
is.
whole-
Okay, so
which
when I
is
use my
part of why I'm doing
whenever
it.
I do brown, I use my Modern Renaissance palette, and I use the shade Raw Sienna. Obviously, it's literally pan, and Cypress Umber. That's like my go-tos. And I just put them in like, the outer
I'm
corner.
like once because it's really pigmented, and I'm like, I will. Get it
Don't you love
everywhere.
how pigmented it is, though?
Yes. Really?
We're just like
blend.
both just like casually holding these things in front of our
I
faces.
know. There's no point whatsoever in even filming this at this point.
And baby.
Although I have this over here, so it's kind of.
I mean,
hope it's out of
no,
frame.
1000% you can still see my face. I don't know about you.
Well, this isn't in front of my face.
Maybe it's better if they don't see your face though.
Probably. Too bad this isn't in front of my face. Here you go.
God bless. Does this look even?
Yeah. Like, yeah.
That was like the most dramatic turn. You just
whipped her up. Yeah. Looks great.
We're the only people that find ourselves funny. It's
We really are. Nobody else is gonna think this video is
They're
funny.
gonna be like,
It's
shut
just
up,
gonna be
Diana,
us.
never filming another YouTube video again. You should have stayed gone.
Probably.
I need food. I'm like delusional. I need food.
We'll get food when you're done.
We should go to like. Are you going to Outside Lands?
To what?
Outside. My cat is not about to start meowing right now.
Wait, I missed.
I had to feed my cat or else she wouldn't stop meowing. SOS. SOS. Okay, I feel like you're gonna be able to hear her just like chewing. This is fun.
Yeah.
We have a fan.
Cute.
We have a fan. We have a cat eating. This is real life.
We have, you know, ourselves.
This is real life, like raw footage.
Honestly.
I feel like we just completely stopped talking about what makeup products we're using.
We totally did. Well, because we're doing eyes and we're both using one palette, so it's like.
This just got stuck in my hair. Wow. Okay. This is
cute.
the Anastasia. Oh my god.
Was that the brow wiz or the brow definer?
The brow definer, the thicker. My cat's meowing again.
That's okay.
Ma'am.
Oh, now she wants to leave, I think. She's standing at your door.
I need to do my eyeliner. We're gonna try and do this on camera. It's gonna probably end up being really scary.
Good luck. For the sake of all of you guys, yes, we did in fact do our eyebrows off camera.
Oh, also, I'm really weird, and I always set my face before
Most people do, actually.
before eyeliner.
Before a lot of things, like before highlight and stuff. A lot of the time. Yeah. Speaking of highlight, can I try that liquid highlight over here? Or that?
Why is this spraying
Glue
stupidly?
highlight?
It's cracked. I just bought this. Look at it's literally cracked.
That's so annoying.
It's spraying so bad.
That's annoying. I'd be a little upset, to be totally honest.
But literally, I feel like that didn't even get on my face.
Definitely got on me enough.
No. Yeah, so I always set my face before I do my eyeliner because whenever I try and like, whenever I try and set my face after I do my eyeliner, it cracks the eyeliner and I'm like, oh.
That's weird.
I also use a really like,
Yeah, like that's not normal.
I use a drugstore ones, maybe that's why. It's not the best.
That still seems
It's
weird,
the L'Oreal Paris Carbon Black Liner Intense.
I've heard good things about that one, though. That shouldn't break.
I don't know. If there's like anything that I retained from my like scene days, it's my eyeliner.
Yeah, I feel that. Mine would be like most of my hair going to one side rather, like the really deep part.
I get the rest of my eyeliner off camera because I was gonna take a really long time because do you see how extra my eyeliner is? Like, please God.
I did the rest of my face off camera.
Yeah, because
it took
you're
as long as
rude.
her eyeliner.
Because you're rude.
Sorry. So I'm gonna do my hair now because
I'm gonna put my lashes on.
that's all I have left.
She's bald.
Other than getting dressed.
She's
Did you
bald.
just call me bald?
Yes.
I'm not bald.
Oh my God.
Did you hurt yourself a little bit?
I just fell.
Got it. Okay.
Why do you need your phone right now?
I know.
We're trying to film an outro.
I know, we're doing it.
Gotta get this show on the road.
Alright, let's do it. Go!
Alright, so obviously we're back. My camera died, and we had to finish getting ready. It's like 6:30 at night now.
Yeah.
We gotta go. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten since like 9 a.m.
I haven't eaten.
Anyways, so these are our finished looks. Obviously, we did the hair and everything. Mine is more of a natural, not bronzy, like a matte brown look. Like basically what I do, whatever. My boobs. Oh, every time I try and film this, my boobs are just falling out.
I know. I'm like, your boobs are always out. Mine won't come out. Like, what is happening? Mine are hiding, and yours are just like, hey, girl.
It's fine. It's fine. So, okay. Anyway, moving on. So, mine's more like natural look per se, not really natural with my giant eyeliner and my giant falsies, but whatever.
Close enough.
It's close enough. It's my version of natural, so that's mine. Hers is more of like a
Dreamsicle.
Dreamsicle.
Creamsicle.
I don't like the way that sounds. That sounds very provocative, like a creamsicle.
Yeah, it does.
I gotta go. I'm gonna get flagged.
Yeah, maybe. Inappropriate content. That was awfully sultry.
Oh no. But yeah, so these are our finished looks. Sound off below in the comments if you want me to do more Get Ready With Me's. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see more collabs with her because she's my only friend that will sit in front of a camera and talk to a camera.
For like 3 hours.
For like 3 hours straight. Everyone else is like, you're crazy. Yeah. You're weird, so it's fine.
YouTube is hard.
YouTube is hard. So let me know if you guys want to see more videos with her or any other videos you want to watch. Be sure to subscribe because I'm a basic YouTuber and I need love from you guys. So please show me love, subscribe, tell your friends about me. If you want to follow her on Instagram, I'll leave her Insta handle somewhere in this vicinity. I just scratched you.
You did. It's okay. I didn't even really feel it.
I didn't like the noise. It was like nails on chalkboard.
A little bit.
Yikes.
Yeah, if you follow my Instagram, we'll all be like best cyber friends.
Cyber friends. That's what I used to call them. I was like, you guys were cyber friends.
I love internet
cyber
friends.
friends.
I think they're the best
cyber
kind. So.
But yeah, no. So
into it.
Yeah, that's it. That's our chit chat. Get ready with me. Our little too chit chatty. Get ready with me.
Yeah, love it.
Oh no, we gotta go get food. We're a little delirious, a little delusional. I'm getting hangry. So have a good rest of your day. Oh no, I did it again. Please, I'm trying to get out of this
I love
habit.
the finger guns. Finger guns all day long.
All right, I gotta go. All right, have a good rest of your day, guys. Love you. Bye. Mwah.